Hey guys, I just want to make a quick little video here to show you how to auto run your LOVR projects. So I found this framework called LOVR, which is just like a 3D version of Love 2D. So really cool. I'm starting to get into it, starting a new project. So basically you install it, you follow this guide. So you download the zip file, you get your zip here, alright. You right click, you extract it, and then what I did, I took that extracted and I dragged it into my documents folder. So it's in here, make sure you know where it is, and then you can double click it and run it and it'll say no game, and you can click and drag around. It's built for VR, but you can like switch it over to a desktop kind of mode if that makes sense. So anyway, get this path here and just copy it for now, okay? And then go into your VScode and under extensions, type in Love 2D and then Love 2D support with that like double cloud and the L thing. Install that, and then once it's installed, go to your settings here and then find the Love 2D path. You want to set this to that, so Control V into there, add another slash, type lover.exe, and then close it. And then when you hit Alt, or yes, Control Alt, I have a different keyboard layout. It's the Command L. So there's the Windows key and then the one to the right of it. You hit that and L. Once you press those, it'll pop it up automatically, so you don't need to drag your game on top of it every single time to run it. Hope that was helpful, and have a good one. So I was actually about to edit it and post it, but I wanted to give you another note here. So when you're actually doing it, make sure you open your source files, and then under here on the left, you click the Explorer, you open the folder, and then you select it. Otherwise, it's not going to work.